Hi everyone, Caleb here. I'm going to walk you through how to download Istation and then log in for the first time so that everyone can see how it's done, and then what happens if you accidentally maybe put in the wrong domain, how to fix that. So first, I am at Austin Elementary's just first grade page in their remote learning links. I'm going to click istation.com. I'm going to go to the download page. I have a Windows device, so I'm going to get the download for Windows. It's running right here. I'll open it as soon as it's complete. The download process goes through. This will basically put Istation on your computer, which is what we're trying to do. And so we're gonna get the setup running here. Open that up. Here we go. I'm gonna say yes. Some of you may have this, some of you may not, depending on if you're an administrator on your machine. We're gonna leave everything the same on the install path. We just hit default install, hit next, and here you go. It's going to open up for the first time for us. It may take it just a minute, checking for any updates. Run the process. Here we go. This is iStation's first screen when you log in. So the domain you want to enter, if you're going to do Austin Elementary, is austin.pbtisd.tx. That's Austin Elementary School. If you were any of the other campuses, so the kindergarten is pecos.pbtisd.tx. And Bessie Haynes, if you were to do it, it's haynes.pbtisd.tx. But again, let's choose Austin Elementary, austin.pbtisd.tx, and
Please enter your
type it in.
username and password.
Now from here, I would be good to go to enter my child's username and password. If for whatever reason you've already gotten to this point, but you typed in the wrong domain address, the wrong domain right here, all you have to do is type config into the username box and config into the password. If you hit that and hit OK, it'll bring back up the configuration and you can change the domain. So if you had accidentally maybe typed in admin.pbt, you could then change it to what you needed to. Again, for Austin Elementary, it's austin.pbtisd.tx. And once you've changed it,
Please enter
you
your
just hit OK, and then there it is. You're good to go to type in your student's username and password. And that's all it is. Thank you for watching this video.